when you go to my live because you regret. Sisi, nagsisi is regret, brother. You feel, ano, like, brother, let's not eat chicken, brother. Whatever happens, brother, because brother, chicken is over. Are you not nagsisi, brother, when you go to my live and then you were able to sponsor for the food? Brother, brother to God. Brother, brother, yes, papa. Eating sugar, no, papa. Telling lies, no, papa. Shoot! Yeah, I know. I will take a bath. Show! How are you today, Show? I'll show my love for you. Only you can make this night so high. Jojo, only you. Jojo, why is it don't have ako an brother? Uy, I'm na. I told you, brother, let's not eat chicken, but we don't have really a choice, brother. So I have to add it to the cart. Only you. Ay, brother. Hmm. Ah, there's a promo. Do you need do you need more? Charot. No, na brother. Ay. This is enough na brother. Kung baan punta na brother. Or let's go to Jollibee na lang, no? Or instead of Jollibee, let's order food. Okay, let's order food. Let's order food na lang, brother. The healthy food. The healthy one. Like this, brother. Oh. So that all of us here can eat. This one. No, no fast foods. No, brother, no. Oh my God, brother. I want house and lot. I want iPhone. I want to have my own helicopter. I want to have a car, a motorcycle. Oh my God. Just kidding, brother. Because you know what, brother? If I order this kind of food, I can bring it to my work tomorrow. So because there's a big ano. mm, my God, this is the problem. Yeah. So we have to really think about it when you order, because when we order this kind of food, the price is different. The price is the same, but the food you And then it's more healthy, it's healthier compared to the one the compared to the stir beefy with ampalaya, beef curry compared to the fast food brother. Chicken cordon bleu, adobong native manok. Oh my god, this is amazing, brother. Excuse me, brother. Ah, they have pizza and pasta. They also have lasagna. But the lasagna is not available. But let's bak choy. Mommy. Pinoy fries and cropic. Siopaw. Tropical fruit salad. Milkshake. But no. No, milkshake. Korean bun. Shakes. Tea. My God, brother, I hate drugs. This is the perks of having a girl who's gonna order, because if you are boys will order, you just have to look for it and then okay, you don't have to consider all. But me, you have to consider all. Crispy pata. Lechon. Ay, pansit con lechon. What's that pansit con lechon, brother? This is a lechon. Have you ever tried to eat lechon, brother? Shoo! I'm still here, Shoo. Hey, Shoo. Ah! Lechon? So let's oh my god, the lechon. I hate drugs. I love lechon. 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 I love it. Shoo! Eddie. Or the tuna kinilaw. I'm not fan of kinilaw. And I'm not like sinigang, tinulang tuna. So, what are you doing? Let's go for the salad na lang. But salad, I can only eat salad. They cannot eat salad. I hope Ate X is here, no? Just arrive home, yeah, you take a bath. I hope Ate X is here with me. They don't have butter so that she can eat with the kids.